Good morning, folks. We are off to Best Buy, and you're wondering why the hell are you going to Best Buy, Brian? Especially during these times. Is Best Buy really open? Yeah, here in North Carolina they're open. Curbside pickup only. I had to order something last night. Sorry about the shaking on the video, but anyway, I had to order something last night and going to go pick it up today. So let's go get it. Yesterday, I decided I was going to fly my DJI Spark drone, and went and get it, and went to connect, and was having issues with it connecting with the controller. I could get it to come up to take off. It would come up about 4 feet, and then I couldn't do anything with the controller. I could get it land back again, but like I said, nothing with the controller. So played with it a good bit, looked at different videos, went back out. It was dark, even tried it then, still couldn't do it. Watched some more videos, finally found a video that let me connect it and get it to connect, and was in the house. And the funny thing is when I first initially started to do it outside, when I was first trying to fly it, it would come up and it would hover pretty good at 4 feet and then go back down pretty much on the spot. Later it would want to drift, and then of course last night I'm in my house like a dummy, and I got it to connect, got it to come up, and I started just to move the controls a little bit to see if it would work, and of course it would work. Came right at me, and the only thing I could do was swat it down. And of course, if you can see that or not, I cut my fingers. Hurt like a dickens, I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, it hurt like a you know what, but didn't really bleed a whole bunch. I was able to clean it, put a Band-Aid on it. But anyway, I'm here at Best Buy. I'm about to go pull up into one of their parking spots where they tell me to. Basically, what you do is when you order it, you have to register and sign in and everything, which I'm already one of their perks members or whatever. But anyway, this morning I got a text saying it was ready, and it gave me a link, and to click on the link, and it goes and it has you log in, and then once you get into a parking place, put in your description of your vehicle, and they'll bring it out there to you. So we'll see how this goes.
Hi, do you have a pickup?
Yes, I do.
What are we picking up today?
It's propellers for a drone.
And what's the last name?
Wood.
And you got your email saying it's ready?
Yep.
Okay, you can pull up to number 1 and they'll be right with you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
We got a pickup for Wood.
Get my ID ready just in case they need it. Yep.
All right.
All right, thank
I just
you.
need to peek at your ID real quick.
All right.
Perfect. Okay,
All right, thank
email
you.
receipt to you, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Have a good one.
All right, as you saw, that was pretty simple, pretty easy. Worked like a charm. Got my little things, and we pull over here to the side. Since I did touch it, I wasn't going to touch it, but anyway, I got some hand sanitizer. Okay, what I do is get my hands there. Of course, I'm all over the package there. So, anyway, that's that. Let's get back home. Actually, I may grab some lunch from somewhere. Alrighty, so I placed my order online to pick it up through the drive-through. Place I order from, they don't have like a call-up box. You just drive around to the window, but you got to call in the order. But anyway, thought I'd go ahead and check my mail since it's going to take about 10 minutes or so, and post office just a little bit down the road. So let me go inside and get that. All right, so we went and got my mail, or checked my mail, I should say. It's just the mail for the Woods Online. But anyway, here in line, about to go get my food. And what I ordered was a Greek salad from this place called Mars, and got to pull up right now. All right, wood. Yep.
Greek salad with chicken?
Yep.
It's going to be $10.13. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Here's your order. Let's get yours.
All right. All right, thank you.
Have a great day.
You too. All right, once again, I'm gonna sanitize my hands and my card. I know. Might seem a little crazy to some, might seem necessary to others. So, I'm sure many of you know this, and a lot probably do not. But Mooresville is really the home of most of the NASCAR race team shops and drivers. The majority live here. Mooresville is about 35 miles north of Charlotte, North Carolina, on Lake Norman. Hold on 1 second, about to take off here. Don't want it to flip on me. But anyway, most of them live here in this area, and most of the race shops are in this area. But some people probably don't realize that, and that's really why this town is what it is today. That's mostly what it is. Of course, it is also the headquarters for Lowe's home improvement store. So big headquarters are here. It is a busy town. I mean, it's not a huge town, but it's grown so fast, and faster than the roads really can handle it. They're building so many new neighborhoods. Hold on 1 second. So many new neighborhoods, apartment complexes. I mean, it's just, we've been here in this area since 2005, and we actually lived, when we first moved here, we actually lived right in this area where I'm at now. We rented a house for about a year before we bought our house, and but it's just gotten really, really busy. It has really grown over the last 15 years that we've been up here, and it's still a great town. It has everything that you need. It has hospitals, has major shopping. We really don't have a mall here, but we have all the bigger stores. You got your Best Buys, your home improvements, we don't have Home Depot. Home Depot apparently is not allowed in Mooresville. Must be something that Lowe's has with their agreement with the city or something, but you have all that. Target, Walmart, everything that you need. But anyway, matter of fact, the way I'm going to cut through back to my house is through where some of the shops are at. So I'll see what I can film for you. Right there is part of Roush Yates Racing Engines, or Manufacturer Solutions, actually is what it says. Over here on the right is the NASCAR Technical Institute. Of course, you got the pit crew instruction and training. don't know if you can see those signs, but that right there shows your Casey Kane, and that one right there shows to Junior. Let's go to Junior. All right, many Dale Jr. Fans. This is his shop. You can see the trucks inside. I don't know if you can see them or not, but trucks are inside there. All right, there is Casey Kane Racing. He's got his own shop. Trucks are inside. All right, that was just some of the shops and different things on this one little section. I didn't even go up another road, and I didn't show you a bunch of other ones in that area. Anyway, that's just a taste. If you like to see more of the shops and everything that's located like that in Mooresville that has to do with NASCAR or racing in general, I know, hold on one second. I know that we had some drag race teams there too. I haven't been over that section in a while, so I'm not sure if they're still there. But anyway, if that's something you'd like to see in a future video, me just do a video on those, leave a comment down below, and I'll do that by all means. Let me get on home so I can eat this lunch and put this propeller blade on my propeller. Yeah, what ended up happening was, after I took care of my finger, I went back in there to the living room, and the drum was on the floor, propeller was laying on the sofa, and I went to try to put it back on there, but the little piece was broken off of it, that it kind of screws onto the motor. I'll show you. All right, folks, we're going to replace or put on a new blade here. The other one came off. Let me open up this package. This is the package here. This is just a pair. It's only got 2 blades in it. Come in a little bag. And there they are. All right, the ones we're going to need to use is this gray one. And see if I can get this here. Basically, you just put that on there. Line it up, turn it, and it's on there. See? Oop. It'd be good to go.